In this problem, we're given triangle ABC, and they tell us that AC and CB are congruent. So this is an isosceles triangle, and that's going to be very important in a second. Points P, R, and S lie on their respective sides of ABC, as shown, such that PR and AC are perpendicular, and PS and BC are perpendicular. PR has a length of 6, PS has a length of 8, and AB has a length of 28. So we want to determine the exact length of PB. All right, so if we draw this, we know that these are perpendicular. They said so. This is 6. This is 8. We'll call this length A. We'll call this length B. Now we'll call this length C. We'll call this length D. Now, key thing is that they told us that this is an isosceles triangle, which means the base angles are congruent. Now, because we have two triangles with two congruent angles, that means these two triangles are similar. And so because they're similar, their sides are proportional. So we have C, 6, and B, and we have D, 8, and A. Okay. Now what do we want? We want to figure out the length of PB, which we've called A for this problem. So what kind of setup can we do for this? All right. Oh, one other thing we forgot to mention. We know that A and B add up to 28, and that's going to be key. So we'll say 6 over B equals 8 over A. So when we cross multiply this, 6A equals 8B. Now, like I said, A plus B equals 28. So we can substitute out A plus B equals 28. So instead of B, we can have 28 minus A. So now this entire problem is in terms of just A. So 28 times 8 is 224 minus 8A. Add the 8A over to the other side. So 14A equals 224. And then we divide both sides by 14. And we get a value of A to equal 16. And there's our answer. And we're done.